Today we are going to discuss what are bitwise operators. What are operators? Operators are those which are used to perform different type of operations such as subtraction, addition, multiplication, etc. And what are bitwise operators? Bitwise operators are used to perform operation between two bits. What are bits? Bits are binary random variable which may be 1 or 0. And there are various types of operators through which these operations are performed. So let's start one by one. First of all, we will see OR operator. Yes, OR operator. What OR operator does is, if as the bitwise operator perform operation between two bits, if any one of the bit is one, then the output of the OR operation will be 1. Otherwise, zero. Yes. Let's take one example. X is equals to 8 or 7. How we represent 8 in binary number system? As 1 0 0 0 and 7 as 0 1 1 1. By performing OR operation, the output of the result, as I have shown, will be 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this number we represent in decimal number system as 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 as 15. So the output of the OR operation in this case will be 15. So the value of X will be 15. Yes. Now, what is AND operator? We will see AND operator now. AND operator are bitwise operator which are used to perform operation between two bits, but if both of the bits are 1, then only the output is 1. Otherwise, zero. Yes. Let's take one example. X is equals to 8 and 7. How we represent this 8 in binary number system? As 1 0 0 0. Similarly 7 adds 0 1 1 1. And by performing AND operation on this, as I have told, if both of the bits are 1, then only the output is 1, otherwise 0. So output of this will be 1 1 0 0 0 0 0. Yes, the output of this, or the output of the AND operation will be 0, as this binary will, when we will represent it in decimal number system, it will be 0. So the value of x here will be 0. This is the AND operator. Now, what is left shift operator? We will cut this. Left shift operator. It shifts bit pattern towards left side by and position. Yes. Let's take one example. X is equals to 8 left shift 2. Now, how we represent 8 in binary number system? We represent it as 1 0 0 0, and we have to shift it towards left by 2 positions. Now add first of all 2 0 towards left, 0 0. Yes. Now we have to shift it towards left by 2 positions. So the number will becomes 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Yes. We have shifted this from 2 positions, from here to here. This is left shift by 2 positions. So the number, what we will represent it in binary number system as 32. So the number will becomes, x will becomes 32. Yes. What is right shift operator? It shifts the bit pattern towards right side. Let's take one example. Sorry, right side by and positions. Yes, let's take one example. X is equals to 8 right shift 2. So how we represent it in binary system as 1 0 0 0, and we shift it towards right hand side by 2 positions. So from this 1 2, and here will become 1 and 2. So 1 will come here. So it will become 0, 0, 1, 0. Yes, so it will become 0, 0, 1, 0. And what this 0, 1, 0 represent in decimal number system as 2. So the value of x will be 2. Yes. Now ones complement. What is ones complement? Ones complement is used to make on bit off and off bit on. For example, if we will take x is equals to complement of a. Now, how we represent it in binary number system as this operator will make all the on bits off and off bits on. So the output will be 0, 1, 1, 1. So the value of x will be 0, 1, 1, 1 in binary system. So after converting into decimal system, it will be 7. The value of x will be 7. That's it. The programs based on this operator we will see in next lecture. Thank you.